Opportunities. Now, Hugh, you mentioned opportunities. What opportunities are you seeing? You said you've been buying companies.
Well, it's been a variety of opportunities, and some of them have been around for very short time before they've run away. So quite a bit of our activity back a couple of months ago at the real bottom was to add to some of our more technologically exposed companies, a Korean accounting software company, for example, a medical technology company, and so on. Some that we held already, and some that we had smaller positions in and topped up. And in fact, in one or two cases, in the very sharp rally, we've actually taken a bit of money out subsequently. So it's been quite a lot of change, with markets falling 25, 30, well, some stocks are down 40%, and then rebounding and recouping much of their loss.
Yeah, I think technology has been the story of this sell-off, you know, because obviously it's enabled us to work from home, to live, to shop, really everything. Gervais, what opportunities have you seen in the UK?
Well, it's been quite interesting, really. I mean, obviously, a lot of share prices has gone down, and some of the share prices haven't really reflected the underlying operations, which is interesting. But quite a few companies have actually not just been able to steer through this crisis, but actually seen more opportunity along the way. So some of the companies have actually come to the market with more cash raising, albeit at depressed share prices, but with the cash paybacks, which are unusually good. So we've actually been supporting some of the companies which have been in the portfolio to actually grow and take advantage of the crisis. So they're actually bigger and stronger businesses on the recovery. And so actually it's been quite an active period for us, really quite interesting opportunities, and actually hopefully more, not just share price appreciation, but more cash generation and stronger businesses going forward.
Okay, well, that's somewhat encouraging that you've been very busy buying. Francesco, you also mentioned opportunities. What opportunities have you been seeing?
I mean, we went into this crisis, and I suppose the biggest three themes that we were investing in, we're bottom-up stock pickers, but ultimately you can look at the portfolio top-down, would be healthcare. And of course, healthcare has been, that trend has accelerated. Some companies will have been affected. For example, I don't know, hearing aid retailing will have been affected in the short term, but of course people will still lose their hearing, and therefore that will come back very quickly. But on healthcare, for example, online pharmacies, those businesses were really struggling to get a foothold. And really what the coronavirus has done has accelerated enormously the trend. I think in internet terms, I think we're probably 3 to 5 years ahead of where internet sales would have been without coronavirus. Environmental investments, we were very keen on things like renewable energy. That I don't think it's really been affected necessarily by coronavirus, but it's certainly the trend is going to continue. And like my colleagues, tech obviously has been a very big part of the overall opportunity set.